Retirement. It's the light at the end of the tunnel, a new chapter in your life. You've worked hard your whole life, putting in countless hours. Now it's time to kick back and enjoy the fruits of your labor, to savor every moment. But here's the thing. Retirement takes planning and careful consideration. And a big part of that planning is making sure your hard-earned money is safe and sound, protected for the future. The market can be a fickle beast, unpredictable and ever-changing. It goes up, it goes down, often without warning. And that volatility can be scary, especially as you approach retirement, a time when stability is key. You don't want to see your nest egg shrink right before your eyes. It's a nightmare scenario. That's why it's crucial to think about de-risking your portfolio to safeguard your future. De-risking means protecting your money from big swings in the market, ensuring peace of mind. It's about making smart choices with your investments so you can sleep soundly at night, knowing you're secure. Remember, retirement is about enjoying life, not stressing about your portfolio. Embrace the joy and freedom it brings. Now let's talk about something called sequence of returns risk. It's a mouthful, I know, but it's important to understand. Here's the deal. It's not just about how much your investments earn over the long haul. It's also about when you earn those returns. The timing can make a huge difference. Imagine this. You're retired and living off your savings. The market takes a nosedive. Suddenly, you're forced to sell investments at a loss to cover your living expenses. Ouch. That's the danger of sequence of returns risk. Negative returns early in retirement can devastate your nest egg. It's like getting hit with a double whammy. Your savings are shrinking, and you have less time to recover those losses. That's why de-risking your portfolio becomes even more critical as you get closer to retirement. Planning ahead can make all the difference. How do you de-risk your portfolio? Shift investments from riskier assets like stocks to more stable options. When you're younger, you can afford more risks. Closer to retirement, play it safer. Bonds, cash, and annuities are lower risk investments. Bonds are loans to the government or corporations. They offer lower returns but are less volatile. Keeping cash gives you easy access to funds. And then there are annuities. Annuities, a safe haven for your retirement savings. Annuities are a powerful tool for de-risking your portfolio. They provide something that stocks and bonds can't: guaranteed income. That's right, guaranteed. With an annuity, you're essentially handing over a lump sum of money to an insurance company. In return, they promise to pay you a stream of income for a set period or even for the rest of your life. No more worrying about market ups and downs. No more sleepless nights wondering if you'll outlive your savings. Annuities provide peace of mind, plain and simple. They can be a great option for retirees who want to ensure a steady stream of income, no matter what the market does. Additional strategies for a secure retirement. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and regions to minimize risk. Another effective strategy is using bond ladders. Invest in bonds with different maturity dates to ensure a steady flow of income. Reinvest proceeds into new bonds with longer maturities to keep your portfolio balanced. This manages interest rate risk and provides a steady, reliable income stream. Always have a cash reserve. Life throws curveballs, and you need to be prepared. Avoid selling investments at inopportune times to cover unexpected expenses. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Let your money work for you and bring peace of mind. And that's a wrap. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button. Or buy us a cup of coffee. And don't forget to subscribe. This has been Two-Dimensional Wealth. Keep the retirement chat going in the comments. See you there.